Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I'm going to show how you can create a table of contour elevations showing the area under each elevation. You can also export this into a CSV file. The command is available in GeoTools menu under Miscellaneous Tools, Contour Area Table /CSV. You can also start it on the command line by typing gt_cont area table. So here you can specify certain basic options like precision and whether you want to export it as a CSV file or not. You can specify the CSV file name here, click OK. Now this is the general selection box for specifying the contours to be processed. So I'm going to select all the contours in the drawing. So I'll say scan entire drawing. It has extracted 66 objects for processing. Please remember that only closed polylines and closed splines will be processed for area computation. Open contours will not be processed. So this is something you need to make sure before you start the command. Click on apply. Now it has processed all these polylines and you can see that all the open polylines have been ignored. Only the closed ones are considered. Pick point to place the contour elevation area table. So I'm going to pick a point here. Enter table scale factor. The default is 25. You can change it the way you want. So you can see that now we have the table which shows the area under each elevation and the number of contours in that elevation. So this is the output of the program. So it tabulates all the elevations of the contours, the area under each elevation and the number of contours falling under each elevation. You can see that it has also created a CSV file. So if you open it in Excel, you get the same information here as well. So this is how the gt_cont area table command works, and it helps you to quickly tabulate your elevations in a table area wise and count wise. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.